Hey tech friends, welcome back in tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to archive and unarchive messages on a messenger. So in this, I will guide you one of the easiest and step-by-step process to archive and unarchive messages on a messenger, which means you can hide and unhide the messages on the main page. So let's dive into our video. First of all, open your messenger application on mobile device. So after opening that application, now you can see here are the different messages conversation. So if you want to archive that messages, so you have to tap that messages which you want to archive, long press on that. So now you can see here archive option is there, tap on that archive. So now it is archive the message, which means it's hide the message from this main page. So if you want to unarchive, now you can see here three horizontal line is there on the left side on the top, so you have to tap on this. So inside that, now you can see here archive option is there, tap on this. So which one I done the archive, so I want to unarchive that message, so you have to again long press on this. So again now you can see here unarchive option. After that you have to tap on this. So in this way you can archive and unarchive that messages on a messenger. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video. Inside that,